So today we are back with VM installation. I know it's kind of been a minute since the last one, episode 20, but I decided to do something unique today. As you've read from the title, we're going to be installing a Linux distro. That's right, we've never installed a Linux distro on the series before, and we're on episode 21, and this series has been going on for like 11 months. So that's saying something. So let's go. So yeah, today we're gonna be installing Ubuntu, and yes, we're gonna be installing Ubuntu. It's not the best distro, but it's my personal favorite distro because of how simple it is to install and use. So anyways, we're just going to click on New here. Oh yeah, also forgot to mention that this is my new setup. I don't directly screen record the actual screen. That just kind of feels kind of unprofessional. Instead, I like to kind of third person view the screen. So sorry if you don't really like this new setup. So yeah, anyways, 12.04. We're going to be installing Ubuntu 12.04, also known as Precise Pangolin. So let's just begin. Probably should have took my magic keyboard and magic mouse with me. Cause now I have to type like this. So we're gonna name it, of course, Ubuntu 12.04. We're just gonna call it Ubuntu 12.04. And we're gonna select the version here. I selected the 64-bit version, so we're doing that. We're gonna try and take the quicker route today. We're gonna insert in the ISO. We're gonna put that in there. Okay. 2048 megabytes. We're gonna try decreasing that a little. Actually, maybe that's good. So we're gonna try that. Oops. Yeah, I also have this. If you're wondering how I record this, I have a little box here, a little drawer here that I just sit this on top. So if I slam to the box, the camera shakes a little. So that's bound to happen. Oh yeah, also I just leaning off of the box. It's pretty unsturdy, so yeah. Anyways, I'll just shut up and let's just get to doing this. 25 gigs, okay. I mean, okay. I'm kind of worried that those specs are going to be a little too much for our little 12.04, but hey. So now we're going to start our little virtual machine. Power VM up. Maximize this. Close this. And it's going out of focus. Oh, it's going in focus again. It should automatically resize. Oh, there we go. These little notification tips. I think I should really try dimming down the lights. Is that the startup sound? Okay. We're gonna install Ubuntu. Yes, I forgot the cursor was white, not black, because remember this was during like this was close to 10.04, and the cursor was white there. So, yeah. Is plugged into a power source. Is connected to the internet. We're gonna continue with that. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. Ubuntu 26 gigs. Install now. By the way, why did it register our 26.8 gigs? Right, it was clearly 25 gigs when we were setting this little virtual machine up. Probably doesn't matter too much, but hey, extra 1.8 gigs. Thank you. So generous for them to give us a bonus 1.8 gigs. Where are you? Yes, so the Ubuntu team can nuke me. Yep, I'll continue with that. Keyboard layout. Yep, we'll continue with that. Who are you? Who do you think you are? The Game Boy Advance commercials? Well. My name is TOWF. Oh, it's very hard to type far away. VirtualBox, we're just gonna name it Ubuntu 12.04. By the way, I never really learned how to type correctly. I don't type some words per minute because maybe I need to play Mario Teaches Typing. I don't know. Choose password. We're gonna do Ubuntu so someone can hack into my Ubuntu account and steal all my data. Oh, password do not match. Yeah, it's very hard to type far away. Okie dokie. Now continue and boom, and now it's installing. We'll do Ubuntu 12.04 LTS. Now I'm gonna be an absolute mad lad and actually not cut this. We're gonna speed it up and do a little time lapse, like I do in the VirtualBox tutorials, and just keep it running. So we could implement this for the Veeam installations as well. So we're just gonna leave it be. And we're just gonna wait for this to install. Cue time lapse. And boom, we're done. So that was actually quicker than I expected it to be. And yes, you did hear Michael MGD music. I bet basically all of you come to that. Well, most of you. Restart now. Nope. The focus on my Android phone, this is really bad. Yeah, this is not the best camera. I understand why many iPhone users would make fun of it. Because this is not a very good camera. It has a bunch of focus issues. it's not really doing anything now. It's just stuck on the screen. Do I have to restart myself? I don't really want to do that. There we go. I just tapped where the taskbar is, and it just focused. So, anyways, it's not really doing anything now. So, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to manually restart it. Maybe that's what you're supposed to do. So I'll just do host R, and my host key is Control Alt and not right control, because for some stupid reason my keyboard doesn't have a right control. Oh yeah, also I bought a keyboard at Savers. That was meant for use like with Windows 7 or Vista, and it actually has a right control key, so I think I'll utilize that in the future. But we are just gonna restart by pressing Control Alt R, which Control Alt is my host key. Oh hey, look, it actually booted up like right away and not like. Okay, TOWF password. I know my password because we typed it in earlier. I think we click on this arrow and we boot straight to the desktop. I don't know what that stuff is all about. But hey, I think this was also the first version to introduce. Oh. Well, something has to be wrong with the graphics, sorta. It's just. It's not functioning. We can actually still click on the icons, like Ubuntu 1. But I don't know, there's something wrong with the graphics. So, and besides, I think I installed Precise Pangolin before, and I copied it to my Linux USB drive where I keep all my virtual machines. And yes, I do have a USB drive with virtual disk on it. Oh. Your Ubuntu release is not supported anymore. Welcome to Ubuntu 4.04. Wait, hold on, what? Trusty tar. No thank you. We're not gonna upgrade. We're keeping this on 12.04. We're keeping this on Precise Pangolin. Okay? We're not gonna do the trusty tar. We're just gonna keep this. So yeah, that's it for today's episode of the installation. So yeah. And I'm expecting to release a VirtualBox tutorial on Windows XP Professional on Wednesday. And sorry I couldn't upload yesterday. I simply forgot to upload. I forgot I even had to upload. I just went to my grandmother's house. There was a lot of cool consoles there, and I got to experience them. And I was just way too busy with that and a little project, which will come out soon, I think. So yeah. Of course, I can't tell you the project, but it is coming. A big new project is coming, and it's Windows Friends related. For those of you who have no idea what that is, I'm sorry, I can't just say this I just can't say it for the 100th time in the row. So, bye-bye.